Pasta versus bunot. Alin ba ang mas praktikal? Maraming Pilipino ang naisip agad na mas mura ang bunot. So, yun na lang. Pero, practicality isn't always about the price. It's about long-term value. Kapag pinabunot mo ang isang ngipin na pwede pa sanang magpasta, mawawalan ka na ng support sa chewing at alignment. Eventually, pwedeng mag-shift ang ibang ngipin mo at mas lalaki ang problema. Pasta may cost more now, pero you're preserving your natural tooth structure. Think of it this way. Mas mahal ang bridge, implant, or denture na kailangan ipalit. Kaya kung kaya pang isave, ipasta na. Huwag agad pabunot. Preserve your natural teeth. Book your consultation at Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab to know the best choice for you.